Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I'm doing a 10-minute makeup challenge, and this is a collaboration with Gucci Gamer Girl. And yeah, me and Sophia have been friends here on YouTube for a little while now. I want to say 6 months, not quite sure, but I have enjoyed her channel and she has been enjoying my channel. We are mutual supporters of our channels. I asked her if she wanted to do a collaboration with me, and me and her was brainstorming some ideas, and she chose to do a 5-minute makeup challenge, and I didn't think I could do that. I have done, I think, a 5-minute one before, way earlier on my channel, probably about 2 years ago, if not just a little bit over a year ago. So I wanted to give myself a little bit more time, that way I could actually do somewhat of a good job. So we did a 10-minute makeup challenge, and I can't wait to see what she has created on her 10 minutes that she had. But yes, I will have Gucci Gamer Girl's channel linked in my description box below, so don't forget to check her out and give her some love. And yeah, let her know Valerie Dison sent you. But without further ado, let's get on with the 10-minute makeup challenge. And by the way, I did forget my bronzer. I was going to use this one, but I forgot. But I had a minute left, so I would have had time. I just forgot about it. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Oh yeah, and don't forget, I do have a 2K giveaway going on right now here on my channel. It was posted December 27th. Yes, December 27th, and you have all the way up to January 26th to enter that, so don't forget to enter. That video will also be in my description box below, along with a end card at the end of this video. Alright, I'm going to talk through this as I do it, and first off I'm going to mix all three of these. It is the Shea Moisture 100% Beauty Hack Pure Macadamia Oil, and then the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is too dark, so I'm going to also mix it in with the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to mix it on the back of my hand, all three, which I already started off wrong because I didn't put my foundation on my hand first. I put the oil on there, but that's alright. I'm trying to hurry up, that way, because normally I could take my time, but since this is 10 minutes and I am talking through it at the same time, I'm nervous. Alright, so that's about what it looks like now. I already wet my sponge, and here we go. It's already been a minute. I'm going to try to get my foundation on under 2 minutes, but that might not be possible, so. Alright. That's good enough for the foundation part. Alright. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. That's almost gone to set the face. I'm also going to scratch it off with my brow brush. I don't know what you call it. Just to get it to like a loose powder. Good enough. Use my fluffy brush that I got at Sam's. I think it's called Beauty Professionals. I don't think it's cruelty free. I don't really know much about this brush stuff, but yeah, they're nice brushes. I just don't know if they're cruelty free or not, and I'm trying to do cruelty free as best as possible. Alright, there's my powder. And I am going to do my eye look. And I'm gonna go, I think I'll just go with the Taurus pretty much all over. Yeah, off the ColourPop palette, the Zodiac Kathleen Lights ColourPop palette, and using this Taurus color for pretty much the whole eye look. Yeah, I'll just go like a little bit above the crease area and just blend it out with a clean brush. Or at least that's what I have plans on doing. Wow, this Taurus color is looking a little dark today. Darker than normal. Now I'm going to get a clean-ish fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit. Doesn't have to be blended out too much, but just enough where, you know, it's not that bad. About like that. I am at the 4.5 mark. I guess I'm not doing too bad. I really don't know yet. Ow. Mascara. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Oh man, something's on my cheek. Oh, no. Ow. Crap. My eyeball hurts now. Oh, I am making a mess. Yeah, I never do my makeup this fast, just to let y'all know. I either give myself 2 hours to get ready, or I don't even fool with makeup. So, I'm going to clean it up with a Q-tip now, as much as I can, with only 4 minutes left. Oh crap. It's good enough. See, highlighter. Where's my highlighting brush? Oh crap. There it is. Oh crap, I forgot. I was trying out a new highlighter yesterday and I got the residue on it still. Oh yeah, I'm using the Revolution blush palette. Everything will be linked down below if I forget to mention what I'm using in my description box. Oh, this is not looking the way I would leave it. Just to let you know. Alright, that's good enough. I'm going to do blush. Where's my blush brush? Where's my blush brush? Where is a blush brush? Just give me one. Where is it? Here's one. I got a little bit of time left. I'm using this color. Alright, that's good enough. Now I am going to do lips because I can't think right now, and I'm using the ColourPop What Is Your Sign color. There's that. And I'm going to do my brows with that Zodiac palette, and I'm going in with the Virgo color. Let's see, where is my brow brush? Crap. Where's my brow brush? Are you freaking serious? I just saw it. Oh, it takes me forever just to look for stinking brushes. Oh, there it is. Okay. Good thing I don't have to work with my brows that much. That's good enough for me. Alright, what is left? I think I'm pretty much done. So 9 minutes. I could do a little bit more concealer real quick, but I don't really have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything left, so that's gonna be it. Under 10 minutes. It's good enough. Yeah, I'm done. Yay! Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed me and Gucci Gamer Girl's video, the 10-minute makeup challenge. All the products that I used in this video will be listed down below. Also, the one I forgot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me scramble to do a 10-minute makeup look. I don't think I did too bad, but I did go easy, so yeah. I don't never do my makeup under 10 minutes, ever. If I don't have 2 hours to get ready, I will just go without makeup because I like just playing in it. I like taking my time and playing in it and not being in a rush. But yeah, I understand. Not everybody has 2 hours. I mean, me, myself, I go to work really, really early in the morning. I am a breakfast kitchen manager, so I like to do my makeup a lot of times, like more than 50% of my time before going into work. But I do give myself an hour and a half to get ready in the mornings, so that way if something happens, I can just skip my makeup. That way I won't be late for work, but I do enjoy playing with my makeup before going to work every day. But yeah, don't forget to check out Gucci Gamer Girl's video that she did with this collaboration. I can't wait to see what she did with her 10 minutes. As I said before, her channel will be linked in my description box. So yeah, and don't forget about that 2K giveaway I posted December 27th. You have all the way till January 26th to enter that, so you have plenty of time. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time, buddies.